So if you want it to look 2D, you need to have the same mindset as a 2D artist would. And for that, the first step a 2D artist takes when they are making a character, they make an outline. They draw the outline for the character. So we will start first by making this look like a white paper. We'll make the mesh have a white material, a plain white material, and we will start building the foundation for an outline. That would be by adding an emission shader, a black emission shader, then adding a solidify modifier to your mesh. This solidify modifier will be fed by the emission shader we made earlier. And for that, you need to flip the normals and make it high quality just in case. Then you make the material index into 1, which stands for the emission shader you made earlier. And that's what you'll find in most tutorials about outlines. But what I'm gonna add up to this and is quite relevant to outlines is how to add inner outlines. Because you see, the solidify modifier just adds a contour around the object, and you don't want to mess your mesh to make outlines inside it. Maybe it works for the eyes, just like I did here, but it doesn't work with other lines, like the one you see in Saitama's face for the nose, or the one in his neck. So for that, the trick is quite easy actually. You just have to go into edit mode, mark seams on your mesh for the face and other parts. Then you go into UV editing and unwrap it. And moving on to the shading tab, you just add a new node, which is a mix RGB, then an image texture node, and that will have the outlines. Connect the image texture node to color one on the mix RGB and make the mix RGB into multiply. Go back into texture paint mode or tab and start drawing your inner outlines. Make it as thin as possible to keep the quality, and try to make the resolution as high as you can for the image texture because this helps later in the process. Also, the color ramp that comes after the image texture node that is for the outlines helps you adjust the thickness for the outlines you already drew before to make it look thicker or thinner according to how far the camera is from your object, which is quite important to make an authentic 2D look.